In today's video, I will walk you through how to hide your phone number on Telegram. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. If you want more control over your privacy on Telegram, hiding your phone number is one of the most useful settings you can change. By default, people who have your number may be able to see it, but Telegram lets you decide exactly who can view your phone number and who cannot. In this video, I'll show you how to update this privacy setting in just a few simple steps. To begin, open Telegram and go to the Settings section. On most devices, you can access it by tapping the Settings tab or by opening the menu and selecting Settings. Once you're in Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. This section contains all of Telegram's privacy options, including controls for your phone number, profile photo, last seen status, and more. Under Privacy, find and tap Who Can See My Phone Number. This is where you can control who is allowed to see your phone number. Telegram provides three options. The first is Everybody, which allows anyone to see your phone number. The second is My Contacts, which limits visibility to people saved in your contacts. The third option is Nobody, which completely hides your phone number from everyone. To hide your phone number, select Nobody. After selecting Nobody, another setting will appear called Who Can Find Me by My Number. This controls who can locate your Telegram account using your phone number. You can choose Everybody if you want anyone with your number to be able to find your account, or My Contacts if you only want people you've saved as contacts to find you. Select the option that best matches your privacy preference. Telegram also allows you to create exceptions. If you want specific people to always be able to see your phone number or never be able to see it, use the Always Allow and Never Allow options. Simply add the contacts you want to include in each list, and Telegram will apply those exceptions automatically. Once you've finished adjusting your settings, Telegram saves the changes immediately. There's no Save button to press, so you can simply leave the privacy settings when you're done. Keep in mind that hiding your phone number doesn't hide your username. If you've created a Telegram username, other users can still contact you using that username without ever seeing your phone number. That's all there is to it. You've successfully hidden your phone number on Telegram. I'll see you in the next video.